with another Super Rodriguez Bros here. My brother is not here right now. He decided he wants to play video games instead of joining in on this video, but he should join in on this video. So here we have this World of Nintendo Super Mario Kart 8 remote control car. By the looks of this thing, it's humongous. And here's a look at the front. And you can try it out by pushing this button, and as you can see, he turns anti-gravity. So, here's a look at the back of the box. 2 modes, anti-gravity mode and racing mode. So this is the anti-gravity that you just saw. And here's, you can do 360 spins, wheelies, and also drifts. And by the looks of it, you have to drift with anti-gravity. And now this thing uses about 8 AA batteries. This should come with batteries, but you should replace it with batteries because who knows how long those batteries have been in there. So we're gonna unbox this thing and open these AA batteries. And by the way, we got these AA batteries at Costco. So we'll be back from the cut of unboxing this and opening these Costco AA batteries. So hey guys, we're back from the cut of opening this Mario Kart 8 cart. You need, for this to screw out, you need a Phillips head screwdriver, not a flat head. And if you look pretty closely here, you can see there is there's a T mixed in with another T. That is because last year we got this in Disney World. And I think you might have heard on another video that we made. We will be posting up a lot of videos for the spring break Disney World trip. We got it from Test Track. Test Track is awesome. You have to see it. It's my mother's favorite ride there. I think it's at Hollywood Studios. No, Epcot. My dad loves that place, which is filming right here. Say hi.
Hi.
He loves that place a lot for one reason. There's Coronuts there. So, see, as I told you, this thing does come with these lime green batteries. So what you want to do is take these out. For these other ones, just flip it down like that. So here are the batteries you can either toss or keep, but they're really low, so use them for a small thing. And we opened these AA batteries, and I said that it uses about 8 batteries because there's 2 here, 6 here. 2 plus 6 is 8. Now we're gonna fill this thing up. So we just gotta put these in. The negative side goes into the spring, and the positive side goes in the flat part. And for unscrewing this, little kids, you might not know, righty tighty, lefty loosey. So here are the 6 batteries. You gotta look at it. I said that the flat part was for the positive side. So this one's positive, we'll put it in like that. So that means this one is a negative. So we'll put it in like that. And then you keep the pattern, except it switches around like this. So it's kind of fun when you put it in. Of course that one goes like that and like that. So here's the complete batteries put in for both of them. So if there's any mishaps with this flashing, I know what it means. I looked it up in the instructions. Well, if anything is wrong with the car, you can look in here and look right here. It tells you in Spanish and in English. So if this is off and this is on, it's flashing. So that's just telling you this is not on. So we gotta put these screws back in, righty tighty. Okay, this one's right. It's gotta be. So we have to place this back into place. Fast. So here's the normal way, and you can see that there is yellow for this color of the wheel. But then when you do this, anti-gravity, it turns red. And there is these blue markings that stands that it hovers. Because in the game, there is a little booster that is blue that makes this blue that makes you able to drive. So if you press this button right here, you turn magically into hovering anti-gravity kart Mario. And now to put it back, you press the one on the opposite side. So we're about to go test this bad boy out, see if Mario knows how to drive. Because boy, when I drive with him in Mario Kart 8, he is fine. My brother says Yoshi sucks at driving. I think it's the driver. So hey guys, I'm here in my garage. Our cars aren't in here because now it turned into my dad's workout place, which if he turns the camera around, I can show you all of the weights and workout equipment he has. And he got this from his wife for Christmas, my mom. Wait, no, not this. This, it's called the Perfect Push-Up. So he can do push-ups better now, even though his shoulder is broken, almost. So, let's get started to roll with this bad boy. Goes pretty fast, I mean, right? Okay, that's a lot of control. When you drift, you kind of lose control. I did not need to just do that. Sorry, that's it. So hey guys, that was our Mario Kart 8 part 1 video. We might be doing a part 2 outside, going down a hill and doing some tricks outside. That'll be me, the little brother. That'll be me and my little brother. And my sister might be outside wanting to play with us too. Over here playing with the little Wonder Woman doll. So that was our Mario Kart thing. We hope you like it. Mario in a standard kart remote control toy. And so please like, subscribe, and share. And you can comment us if you're excited for our upcoming birthday or more our sister's upcoming birthday. Our upcoming birthday is going to be all Mario. And we're going to bring maybe this toy if our dad says. So, peace.